So looks pretty good, but we'll have to see that how can we create such a good representation of our data. So for this, let me remove everything. Now we'll take, first of all, we'll place category over here, okay, and then I'll place subcategory over here. Till now it is simple. Now when I place profit over here, this is the profit, okay, in the last 4 years across the categories. For each of the categories I can see the, for the subcategories in each of the category I can see the profit generated by them in terms of uh, figures, like in terms of money. Now if I would like to convert it into the percentage, first of all I go to analysis, and under analysis I say totals and show me the column wise grand totals. So it is showing me the total of the profit generated in the last 4 years across the categories in sum total. Now I would like to see these values in terms of percentage. So what I'll do, I'll go into sum of profit, I'll click on the drop down, I'll go to the quick table calculation and say show it to me as percentage of total. So it's showing me as percentage of total over here. But along with this, like I am getting the percentage of profit contributed by each of the subcategory in the total profit, and the highest profit is being contributed by copier, and the minimum profit, or I should say that the losses are coming from tables and bookcases and also supplies. Now if I would like to see the subtotal, or I would like to see the profit generated by each category, right now I'm seeing the profit generated by each subcategory. If I would like to see the profit generated by each category, what I'll do, I'll go into analysis, I'll go to the totals, and I'll say that please show me all the subtotals. Okay, so when I do this, I'll get the subtotal for each of the categories. So the maximum profit is being the maximum contributor in profit has been technology, and the least contributor in the profit has been furniture. Now, had I been a strategic management consultant in this superstore company, I would have straight away told to the management that we should discontinue selling the products under furniture, because they are not contributing much to the entire profit of the firm. Or even if they wish to continue the furniture business, we would say them that they should discontinue selling the products, tables and bookcases, because they are generating negative profits for them, means they are actually generating losses for them. So this way, using table calculations, we can have a very deep dive look into the profits generated by each of the category and subcategory in terms of percentage of the total profit. So basically, when you just see the total profits in terms of figures, in terms of money, it won't give you that much of a understanding if you are a strategic consultant. If it's shown it to you in terms of percentage of the entire profit, then it makes it very easy for a strategic consultant to understand that what kind of products are giving a good profit, what kind of products are giving losses, so which can be discontinued, the sale of which subcategory product can you discontinue. So when we show it in terms of percentage, it gives a quick decision making power to the person who's looking into the data. Now next we'll see how to create running subtotal, running totals. So running total basically means the cumulative effect. Right now I have plotted the relationship between the months and the profit generated in each month. So over here I am getting the profit generated across the 4 years in each month. So what have been the profit generated across the categories? Okay, and over here I am getting the cumulative profit. That is, when you add this and this, you get this value. When you add these three, you get this value. When you add these four, you get this value. So this basically is an instance total. So cumulative total is what this column is showing me, also known as running total. So when I add up all these 9 values, you will get this value. So this is what running total means. This is basically a subtotal of the values in the left table, the profit table. So if I would like to draw this kind of a table visualization where I can show the running total to the end user, the C-level executives. So I'll do that. First of all, I'll remove all of it. First, we'll take the order date field, place it over here. Then we'll take the profit field, place it over here. Now we would be willing to just keep the month one. Okay, so we have got these monthly ones. So for each month I'm getting the profits. Okay, I'll expand it a bit so that it's better view. So for each month I'm getting the profit. Now if I would like to see it in terms of cumulative as well, so first of all what I'll do, first of all I'll add over here in the analysis, I'll go in the totals and I'll say that show me the column grand total. So it's showing me the total grand total over here. Now I'm placing the profit over here again. This profit, I'll say that this should be my quick table calculation. Just a second, I'll convert it over here. I'll place the profit over here. You see that the visualization has changed a bit. Straight away over here, go into the drop down, go quick table calculation, show running total. So you see running totals over here. I convert it into a text table, swap the accesses. Now I can see that we have plotted month wise profits and running sum of profits. Okay, I think I have missed something. Just give me a second. So over here we are showing months, we are showing profit. We had to show the running sum of profit. So for that we will go over here in this. I'll clear everything which I have done. Okay, let me again add it. Maybe I would have done some mistake. Just give me a second. I have placed this sum profit over here, went over here quick table calculation. I have to show running total. Okay, this is the one which is showing running total. Now what we'll do is we'll place this over here. This is showing my running profit. Last time mistakenly I had placed it over here before and then I had converted it. So first of all we'll have to place it over here, convert it into running total, and then I should place it on the axis over here so that the major names and major values automatically come over. So in this way I can plot my profit values along with the cumulative profit. So this was also an implementation of table calculations. Another, since we have understood the basic table calculations, let's go and see how these table calculations can help us create a very beautiful visualization over here. You can see over here. Over here, I am plotting the relationship between the years and the sales across years. And this type of a visualization is quite appealing. It's quite attractive. If you add such visualizations in your dashboard, then the end user's eyes catch these visualizations very nicely. So for that, like now how I have created is I have created it using table calculations. I'll tell you how. So let me remove it first. First of all, I'm taking the order date over here. Since I had created an area map and line chart both have one thing common, that for them one field should be a date field. So I have placed date field over here. Now I would like to see the sales for the last 4 years. I can see these sales. Now category wise I have to see them. So I'll place the category field on the colors. So I can see these lines. For each category, I can see the sales trends across the last 4 years. Now over here in sales, we'll go into the quick table calculation and we'll see that we'll do it a running total over here. So now these are cumulative values. To the office supplies, we have added the furniture sales, and then to it we have added the technology sales. So it's looking like this. Now I'll straight away go over here and convert it into area chart. So over here, using the running total table calculation, I have been able to create a line chart, and that I converted into area chart. So using in this way, I've got this beautiful area chart with me.